So now I'm just going to paper. I put glue down on the bottom, and this brush has a little bit of pink in it, so it's going to start affecting the color of this a little bit. And you can see I'm just going to, first I paper around my piece. Now there's a perfect candidate for one of those little tiny corners. Put that in there. Maybe I don't need all that. Put it in there. And so the question is, well, do you paint your things first and then put the background down, or put the background down and then paint? I always, well, this is not painted, sadly. It should have been, but it isn't. We ran out of time. I always finish my piece first. This piece right here, it was completely painted and finished before I put this in the background.